Okay, we have Headstrong Pale Ale. This one has a bit of an interesting history to it. Apparently, for a while, it was brewed in Guelph, here in Canada. And it was 5.2%. Now, I think this is the case. I've looked this up on Beer Advocate, and there are two different beers called Headstrong Pale Ale, and they appear to be the same beer. But for one period in time it was brewed here in Canada, but now apparently it's brewed in the Big Hole Brewing Company in Montana, apparently. And the one that was brewed here in Canada was 5.2%, I guess, and now it's 5.5%, but apparently it's the same beer. I don't know what the story is there. Maybe someone else can correct me on the comments board, but yeah, anyway, that's kind of weird. Anyway, this is a pale ale, as I said. It's an American attempt at a classic British style pale ale, apparently. So without further ado, let's give it a try here. I had it slightly chilled in the old refrigerator before I decided to do this. I like the can, by the way. Is that not a cool can? I think it is, anyway. It sort of almost reminds me of Ralph Steadman's art, but you know, a bit more less chaotic. Okay, so I'll pour it now. Alright, it's got a nice sort of orange golden color. Definitely looks like a pale ale, although they can get darker than that, of course. Very nice and translucent. You can see right through it. Nice head, foamy head. I don't know if it's going to stay long, but it definitely looks nice on initial presentation anyway. So I'm going to take a little sniff now. Very floral. Very floral in the smell. Not what I expected at all. Sort of bouncing between sort of perhaps floral, maybe even sort of slight grapefruity kind of smell. It's not incredibly distinct or anything, but it is a very nice, pleasant smell. Yeah, I like that. So we'll give it a sip now and try it out. Sweet. There's some definite sweetness there. Sort of a nutty, citrusy kind of taste. It's very pleasant, very nice. Yeah. Very nice bitterness at the end. That's very good. I can see Beer Advocate didn't lie. It got pretty good reviews, both versions of this beer. The Canadian one and the one that's now made here, now made in the USA. They both got like a B plus or a B minus or something like that overall. Yeah, that's very good, actually. Very refreshing. Definitely a summer beer. Definitely a summer beer. Very, very nice. I think I actually might pick this up again. Really is pretty good. So yeah, I'd recommend this. Definitely a 3.5 out of 5. It's not super spectacular, like it doesn't have a lot of complexity or character, but it does have a bit more than what I expected in the first place. Yeah, very good summer beer. Headstrong Pale Ale, 3.5 out of 5. You should look out for it. It's actually a nice, pleasant surprise. I quite enjoy it.